In the last 3 years, I tried different side hustle to make this amount of money. Editing short form content in Fiverr, using Kindle machine to make this type of product, and set up an online shop which bring a decent amount of money to my bank account. But today, I'm full-time YouTuber. So I decided to explain my journey for you and bring 5 side hustles that can change your life entirely. The last side hustle is the easiest passive income idea. So be sure to watch this video till the end. Editing content became an important skill in these years. It also became so easy thanks to different apps that you can use. Canva, CapCut, Premiere Pro, and other examples. This side hustle needs some skill to start. However, it's not passive. But it's a good remote job and your experience will help you to make money more easily. You just need to be familiar with one of these apps and then start your job in Fiverr. This website is one of the best places to find customers. The best plan is to create some work samples which can attract audience. From YouTube video editing to wedding clips, fashion and personal clips, and other types of video. Your income depends on your experience and how much customers are pleased with your service in Fiverr. But you can see that pro editors can make over $600 per project. Let's move on to Etsy sticker shop. Look, stickers are one of the most popular items in Etsy. People tend to buy stickers from Etsy stores. There are many shops in Etsy that sell a large number of stickers. You just need printing machine and creative mind. Leonardo AI make it easy for you to create some amazing stickers. It will generate a sticker design for free. It's a passive income from Etsy, and you don't need any special skills to start this business. You just need to set up your Etsy shop correctly. And then your earning range is based on yourself. For example, if you sell each stickers $4, your profit will be about $2 to $3. This item has more than 37,000 reviews on Etsy, considering that not everyone who buys comment. This store has sold this product more than 50,000 times and earned more than $150,000 from this item alone. YouTube is a revolutionary idea for earning income. YouTube offers different ways to make money: ad revenue, sponsorship, membership, and other ways. It's truly passive income. I mean, your video from last year can bring money to your pocket. In terms of skills, you need to be familiar with editing video and thumbnail if you want to start YouTube with no budget. Otherwise, you can hire a video and thumbnail editor from Fiverr. And your income range depends on your view. The RPM of normal YouTube channel is between $1 to $10 per 100 views. However, in a special situation, it can be lower than $1 or higher than $10. Did you see Amazon bestsellers? It will bring the next passive income for you. Normal users are create a shop in this online shop and they are selling product. Amazon dropshipping is a business model where sellers list products on Amazon without holding inventory. When a sale is made, the seller purchases the item from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to the customers. The average dropshipping margin is between 10% and 30%. Now it's a bonus time for loyal audience who stay in the video. As I explained in my first video, Pinterest provides a great opportunity to make money online from affiliate links. There is a different website to get free affiliate links, such as Kit.co or Jenny.us. From this website, you can get links and promote them in the product links. A description link in Pinterest is a live link that is placed inside a pinned caption. It's another passive income because more viewers bring more attention to your affiliate links, and it will increase your income. This Pinterest side hustle also needs no skill to start. So I introduced Top 5 Side Hustle for 2024. I start Pinterest affiliate marketing, video editing, Etsy shop store, and now YouTube channel. And believe me, these side hustles are working 100%. In my opinion, the best side hustle is YouTube. It offers wide range of money, sources with unlimited potential income. But it needs some equipment and skills. Pinterest affiliate marketing, on the other hand, is a free money source, which needs no money or skills. So decided to choose the side hustle, which fits your abilities. In the previous video, I explained all tools and apps to set up your Etsy shop. So if Etsy shop store attract your attention, be sure to click here and watch this video. I hope you find this video useful. Ask your question for each of the side hustle. I will back soon.